A successful delivery using the dollar. So I'm gonna send that guy down. We headed on while we can go to Home Depot now and get my money. A successful, your boy Tay Woo Woo Jr. He's over here. Successful. Yes, It'll tear your shit up now. So we leaving up out of the Ford dealership. Big boy. Tell that man.
I'm gonna call you right back.
Fayetteville, Highway 85. Which way you going? Man, Home Depot. Careful drive, man. You motherfucker ride without that. Man, way up here. Yeah, drive. How you usually drive? Fast as hell. They will lose if you let them. I got 12 out here. Oh, he's up there in traffic. Well, we hit the Home Depot and we're back on our way. Going back to the Kazia. I hit this Home Depot right quick here in Fayetteville. Shell gas station, Circle K. That's the BP, the car wide. That's the BP, that's the car wide. Yeah, I seen y'all motherfucker. Went over there and spent probably like $400-500 on lottery tickets and probably won like $80 back or $100. Something like that, of that nature. We got a thrift store over there. That's the plaza. You got Ollie's. Oh man, I really need to be going over there. They got everything out here. Del Taco, Foot Locker. I ain't see. That's my first time saying that. And it's for kids, I believe. Chick-fil-A. What is this new joint right here? This is Andy's. Okay, this is the new joint they were building at that time. They got an Andy's frozen clusters right here on the corner. And you got Kroger's over here, Taco Bell, and the Murphy gas station. And we at Banks Road. But I'll be back with another video, you guys. It's your boy James J. Woo. Stay tuned.